Welcome! In this video we will show you how you can enter your International Waterbird Census data to our online database. First of all, make sure you're signed in. You can sign in by clicking the link Sign In. Enter your username and password and click the Login button. After signing in, your name will appear at the upper side of the screen. You can now continue by looking up the area in which you did your census. Go to the menu Overviews and choose the option Areas. A list appears of all the areas in the region. You can narrow down your search by typing a name or by clicking the box Show IWC sites. Confirm your selection by clicking the OK button. If your area is not listed, you can add it yourself. How to do so will be explained at the end of this instruction video. For now, we will continue with an example in which we enter the data of an International Waterbird Census in the Dagona Sanctuary Lake. In order to open the data entry form, we click the green icon. The data entry form consists of two parts. The upper part allows you to fill in general information about the census, such as date, time, weather and other circumstances. The lower part is the species checklist, which allows you to indicate which species and numbers you have seen during your census. Let's start with filling in the upper part. Select the date from the calendar and confirm your selection by clicking the button. Fill in the start and end time. Use the selection menus to give more details about the circumstances during your census, such as the completeness of the count, the water circumstances, tide, ice cover, the influence of weather, disturbance, and so on. In the next field, you can write down the names of the participants. If you have any remark, you can use the text field. Now it is time to continue with the lower part of the form, the species checklist. For every species, you can indicate whether or not you observed it. You may fill in exact numbers or an estimated range. If you did not count how many individuals of a species were present, you may fill in -1. If you observed an exotic or escaped bird, check the box at the right side of the form. If you did not observe one of the mentioned species, you may leave the fields blank. After filling out the entire form, you only have to hit the Submit Checklist button. The bright yellow bars will give you a confirmation that the data is saved. You are now finished with entering the data. If you would like to enter data of another census, go again to Overviews and choose Areas. You can follow the same steps as we showed you. If you have seen enough, you can close this video now. If you would like to see how you can enter a missing location, stay tuned. Go to the menu myobservado.org and choose My Areas. Click the link Create your own areas. Start with filling in the name of the area. Now you can look up the location on the map. You can use the different buttons on the map to adjust it to your own preferences. You can switch, for example, between the normal map, satellite map, terrain map and hybrid map. The plus and minus can be used to zoom in and out on the map, but you may do the same trick by using the scroll button on your mouse. To drag the map, click and hold the left mouse button and move in the desired direction. You may also use the arrows on the map. Once you have found the right location, you can start drawing a polygon by clicking on the map. Every time you click, a pointer will appear. You may relocate the pointer by clicking and holding it with the left mouse button and by moving it to the appropriate location. Then release the mouse button. If you made a mistake, you can remove a pointer by clicking the black spot in it. Confirm that you would like to remove it. If you would like to start all over again, click the Reset or Clear button. All pointers will be removed. When you're finished with drawing, click the OK button to save the drawn area. Copy the web link which appears in your web browser and send a request to info@observado.org, in which you ask if the area can be added to the area list. Once confirmed, you can find your area in the area list via the menu Overviews, Areas. Follow the same instructions as mentioned before to add the data of the census. You have seen how you can enter your data. If you have any question or remark, do not hesitate to contact us by sending an email to info@observado.org. Good luck!